So it's an exciting time to discover artificial intelligence in myeloproliferative neoplasms, but we're still quite early on. So at this conference at the MPN Workshop in the Carolinas, what I wanted to relay is first a brief primer about what these concepts mean and offer some select use cases about some implementations of artificial intelligence that are closest to practicality. But in truth, we're very, very early on in answering any of these questions and developing these tool sets. So I do think that for the readers out there, you should take a look online and see what other people are looking at. We have researchers in Spain, in London, in the United States, in China that are asking many questions across MPN clinical care, including diagnosis, overall survival across any of the MPNs, particularly myelofibrosis, leukemia-free survival, and many, many more. So what I've shown in my particular research is potentially using AI to diagnose rare diseases, including pre-fibrotic myelofibrosis versus essential thrombocythemia, by using an AI tool looking at bone marrow biopsy slides automatically and making these diagnoses very quickly and accurately. But the truth is, there's so many more opportunities than just diagnosing one versus the other. I'm looking forward to many other implementations, including therapy response, furthering overall survival, or maybe even development of new JAK inhibitors and other novel therapeutics. So much more to come.